Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we're gonna learn how to get TikTok widget on iPhone. First of all, go to your home screen, then tap and hold on the empty screen for a second until you do not see minus icon on all application icons. Now, on the top you can see plus button. Tap on it, you can see search widget input field. Type TikTok on the search widget and then tap on TikTok. Now you will be given multiple widget styles. Slide it and choose one of the style. After you're done with choosing the widget, tap on add widget button on the bottom and drag the widget to the place you want to keep it, and it's done. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.